Let's dive right into how you can supercharge your customer engagement with WooCommerce and Push Engage. We're going to explore some really cool customer campaigns you can build right within your WooCommerce dashboard. First off, check out the default WooCommerce campaigns in Push Engage. They're already there for you. Just click Manage to tweak them. Quick example: customize that retry purchase message and link it right to checkout. Super simple. Need to announce a flash sale or something urgent? Push broadcasts are your go-to. They have tons of templates that make creating eye-catching promos for your customers super fast. Got new products launching? When you're adding them, just scroll down to the Push Engage settings, check that box, and announce it instantly. All from your products page. To keep customers updated on orders and get those valuable reviews, use campaigns right from your orders page. Automated order status updates and review requests make everything smoother for your team. And finally, automated trigger campaigns are like your secret weapon, especially for recovering abandoned carts. They're pre-built to help you win back lost sales. Just enable them and let them work their magic. That's it. In just minutes, you can set up powerful customer campaigns with Push Engage and WooCommerce. Keep your customers engaged and your team efficient. Need any help? Push Engage support is always there. Like what you saw? Hit subscribe for more quick tips.